Hi guys, this is Yousef. I just got evicted from Big Brother Nigeria house. I know how you feel, but nevertheless, I'm pretty happy. I'm happy right now, and thank you so much for the support. And I'm humbled. Love you guys out there. So I'm gonna go through some of your comments. I hope it's nice. I hope it's nice. So talking to you guys now. So this is from Deborah Bosman. Okay, the problem with him is that he was too quiet, but at the same time, he was a good guy. Wish you all the best. Oh, yeah, well, I am a quiet, chilled person, but I believe it is my personality. I can't fake a vibe that it's not me. Brian Welt. Which female housemate do you genuinely like in the house, and what's your next line of action for you after Big Brother Nigeria? Well, genuinely, I like Sasuke. Genuinely, I like Sasuke, but we couldn't have that vibe. So, and what's your next line of action after Big Brother? Well, I'm pretty much looking forward for the movies and endorsement deals and modeling, but definitely the movies. Hamdia Shunez Suleiman. My heart is shattered for my prince Yousef. Oh my God. But I know that he will achieve his dreams. This will not stop the dream. Oh my God, I love this. Thank you so much, Hamdia. Thank you so much. I hope my dreams. You guys made my dreams come true. Like at this point, I feel like I'm on top of the world with this love. It's too much. Thank you so much, Hamdia. What's his next plan for the future? I want to know if it's politics. No, it's not politics, Well, thank you so much, guys. I wish to see you all. I'm gonna keep answering this as time goes by, okay, when I get my phone. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. I love you, guys.